Hi everyone, so now we're looking at singular matrices. So basically, a singular matrix is one where the determinant is 0. So in the past two videos, we looked at finding how to find the determinant of a matrix. Now, what a singular matrix basically means is that, looking at example 1, we have matrix D. Matrix D is 2, 4, 4, 8. When we find the determinant of this matrix, product of the first diagonal, 2 times 8, take away product of the second diagonal, 4 times 4. So we get 16, take away 16. We find that this determinant is 0. So once we define the determinant of a matrix and the determinant is 0, then we can say that that matrix is a singular matrix. So looking at the second example, let's find the determinant of matrix L. So first diagonal, product of the first diagonal, 12 times 2. Take away the product of the second diagonal, 6 times 4. So 12 times 2, take away 6 times 4 is 24, which is, again, 0. So once you find the determinant of a matrix and it's 0, that matrix is 0. So therefore, that matrix is singular. L is a singular matrix. And that's it really for a singular matrix or singular matrices. Just find that determinant. Once it's 0, it's a singular matrix.